The other muscle, which is located in the depth there, if we move these muscles to the side and the nerves also to the side, all the rest here are three heads of the deep digital flexor muscle. Deep digital flexor muscle, or DDF. The deep digital flexor muscle has three heads. One, the big one there, the big one comes also from the medial epicondyle of the humerus. One comes from the radius and one comes from the ulnar. To be able to see all three heads, it's better while dissecting to go in the depth there and find the tendon of this muscle. The tendon of this muscle. So this is the tendon of the DDF. Before here at this level, you will find that I will just try to show you that here we have one head. Here we have the big one, and on the other side we have another one. Let me just try to find it for you. Yeah, that one. Can you see? So now I'm showing you the three heads of this TDF. Yeah. So the ulnar head comes from the ulna, the radial comes from the radius, and the big one is from the humerus. So this is the three heads of the DDF. Here it's clear for us how the tendon of these three heads, they come together to form only one tendon, which is the tendon of the DDF. Yeah, I hope it's clear here in the view. Yeah, so here in this view we can see all three heads, the ulna, the radial, and the humeral. All tendons, they come together to form one tendon. Just one tendon in this area, the tendon of the DDF. If you follow the tendon of DDF, here you will find it also below the carpal joint divided into four tendons. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. These four tendons inserts to the distal phalanx, palmar surface of course, of the distal phalanx of all fingers number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? The same, distal phalanx of the digit number 2, 3, 4, 5 palmar surface. Now it's also innervated by the median nerve, guys, and partially from the ulnar nerve. So guys, to be able to see all three heads of the DDF, deep digital flexor muscle, we cut the superficial muscles here, including the ulnar head of the flexor carpi ulnaris, the humeral head of the flexor carpi ulnaris, the SDF, or superficial digital flexor muscle. We will just keep all of them to the side. We cut even here the flexor carpi radialis, put it to the side. All the remaining muscles here belong to the DDF. Three heads, we say three heads, the humeral head, radial head, and ulnar head. Let's try to find them all. Of course, all heads, they come and finally form one tendon in this area here. So the best way to find the three heads is to go for the tendons, for the tendon of the DDF, hold it in your hand like this, okay? And here we will try to find the three heads. So the first head is this one here, If you look at this head here, you will find it coming from the ulna. Can you see that? I just moved to the side, everything to the side. This head here, it comes from the ulna, moves all the way down. This is the tendon of it. Yeah, it fuses with the other heads here. So this here is the ulna head. This here is the ulnar head. Okay, can you see it? This is the ulnar head. The other head from the other side there, it's this one here. Can you see it? This head comes from the radius. It comes from the radius there. Okay? Can you see that? This is the radial head. This is the radial head. It also fuses with the tendon of the other heads. And so we saw the radial head. We saw the ulnar head here. And the rest here, the big one in the middle, is the humeral head, which comes from the medial epicondyle of the humerus, from that area here, as you can see there. Okay? Now I will try for the last time to show you all three heads at once. At once, yeah? Can you see that? So ulnar head comes from the ulna, radial head comes from the radius, and in the middle we have the humeral head. All together they form only one tendon. Can you see that? Only one tendon, which is the tendon of the DDF. The tendon of the DDF. I hope it's clear now. And here we can also see how these heads are innervated by this nerve, which we explained previously, which is the ulnar nerve. Can you see that? The median nerve. The median nerve. Okay? And even the other nerve, which is the ulnar nerve, gives also partial innervation for this muscle. Okay? That was for the DDF.